Safety. We strive for safety in every aspect of life, on each of our journeys, for all those we journey with. But wanting to be safe and knowing we're safe can be two different things. And with more driving distractions than ever, and roadway crashes statistically increasing every year, security is at a premium. That's why now there are those who watch over us, who guide us, who warn us, who make sure our journeys become our destinations. That's why there's Carvi. Carvi is a friend and an aid. It's a team of virtual driving experts navigating alongside you. Using your smartphone and the Carvi camera, Carvi brings the benefits of high-end technology to the aid of you and your family by providing real-time hazard warnings and collecting key data on your driving skills. Carvi brings a level of safety to the road you never imagined possible. Want to change lanes safely? Carvi adds an extra set of eyes that monitor your position in the lane and the location of the car ahead. Avoiding front-end collisions, Carvi measures your distance from the car in front of you, not only warning you when you get too close, but helping you to eliminate tailgating tendencies for good. Worried about other bad habits, such as reckless driving, hard braking and jackrabbit starts? Carvi learns your driving patterns and helps you adjust accordingly through reports on the app. No more worrying about your inexperienced teenager on the road or your elderly loved ones getting around without assistance. Novice and seasoned drivers alike will benefit and improve. It doesn't matter who you are or what streets you drive down. Carvi mentors you into travelling safely for the rest of your life. Installation is simple and a one-time calibration is easy. A brilliant team of designers and experts have crafted Carvi using the most cutting-edge technology. Starting in 2010 with the initial design stage, the experienced people behind Carvi went through years of testing, development and assembly to create the most advanced driving assistant device in the world. But all you will notice is the peace of mind Carvi will bring you. So please, if you care about the safety of you and your loved ones, consider helping Carvi get off the ground. If everyone is practicing safer driving, then roads everywhere will finally be a better place. And since Carvi is compatible with 95% of vehicles on the road, this is more than a dream, it's a possibility. The people behind Carvi want to get this revolutionary product into the world's hands. Support and spread the word. Carvi, with your help, it'll take safety to the next level.
Every day, 80% of Americans driving on our roads can't see behind them when they're parking. So we decided to look into why more people didn't have parking sensor solutions available on their car. And what we found was that it was too expensive or is much too difficult to install. You practically had to be a car guy to install it yourself. So we made the world's simplest and easiest solution yet to hit the market. Introducing FenceSense, the world's first smart parking device.
The embedded ultrasonic sensors can detect any object within 3 meters of the car's front or back blind spots. We use an accelerometer to detect when the car is backing up and then use Bluetooth to automatically launch the app on the driver's phone. We've designed a completely seamless experience that requires no interaction on behalf of the driver.
The device itself installs in less than 5 minutes with absolutely no wiring and only 4 security screws to prevent theft. It's so easy, your grandma can do it. The device itself knows when your car is backing up and immediately launches the app on the driver's phone, providing audio, visual, and vibration alerts for objects in your blind spots. As you can see, FenSense is the simplest and easiest parking sensor solution available on the market today, and we need your help to make this product a reality. We have a ready for manufacturing prototype and a trusted manufacturer ready to go into production. Pre-order yours today to get it for only $99, saving $50 off the MSRP of $149. Please spread the word and tell your friends. Let's make parking safe and simple together.
Waste. We're engulfed by mass production, accelerating consumption, and rampant materialism. Products are designed to become obsolete, then discarded for the next big thing. We're depleting our natural resources at astonishing rates while pumping pollutants and trash into the environment. Developments in sustainability are promising, but they're not happening fast enough, and the solutions are still too expensive and inaccessible. What if we can make our machines last longer, run more efficiently, and self-improve instead of supporting the high turnover consumerism that we see today? What if we had a solution here and now? That's our mission at Tribotex. We're tackling the problem of waste by creating the first of its kind nanoparticles that actually repair machines while increasing performance and efficiency. Harnessing the power of nanotechnology, we came up with a small solution to this big problem. Tribotex nanoparticles have two faces, one that binds and one that slides. The sticky side reinforces and strengthens, while the slippery side reduces friction. Just like carbon turning to diamond in the mantle of the earth, Tribotex self-aligns into a diamond-like lattice structure under the heat and pressure of the engine. Unlike other protective coatings, this process actually reverses engine wear, particle by particle, and restores it to a better than new condition.
Our initial focus was to make lubricants safer. Among many nanomaterials we worked on, one unique outlier reduced friction dramatically, down to super lubricity level. With the help of national labs and research agencies, we understood the mechanism and developed proprietary production process.
After years of research and rigorous testing, we're proud to introduce CarBoss, a safe and green additive for your car that improves gas mileage, boosts horsepower, and extends the life of your engine. CarBoss comes in a small recyclable applicator that you inject into the oil fill of your car. As you drive, Tribotex nanoparticles are forged into a diamond-like armor around engine components, rejuvenating your daily driver to become more efficient than when it was new. A third of the gas that you put in your car is wasted on engine friction. With 612 million cars on the road, that waste adds up. Running on CarBoss will use less fuel, reduce pollution, and leave a smaller carbon footprint. We're ready to go to market, and we need your help. Back our Kickstarter and be the first to adopt a revolutionary technology that will make our world more efficient, more powerful, and more sustainable. CarBoss by Tribotex.
Here is the VAVA Dash Cam, and this is what happens when you don't use it.
Lady, what are you doing?
What did I do? You just backed into me!
Prove it!
Did anybody see this?
Oh, mamma mia, mamma mia. Mamma mia, let me go. Beelzebub has a devil put
That was awesome. Did anybody get that? No one was recording?
Nothing really matters to me.
I saw you were on the phone.
Oh, I wasn't on the phone.
I saw it with my own eyes. Okay, well, have a nice day.
Oh, milk duds! What do you mean witnesses? No, there was no witness. My car is all scratched up and I expect my insurance to cover it. What do you mean you can't help me? Ah! Is this the life people really lead?
Did you know that a car accident happens every 3 minutes, every day? Which is why we built the VAVA Dash. Lady, what are you doing?
You just backed up into me.
Move it! The VAVA Dash is smart, with a built-in G sensor that automatically detects when collisions happen, so you'll always have the footage you need.
No, I wasn't on the phone.
Can you prove it?
Whether your car is on or off, the VAVA Dash is there to protect. When paired with the VAVA charger, the dash can automatically record any unexpected activity when you are away from the car. How do you feel leaving your car alone? What if you could see what's going on in your car while you're not there? The VAVA Dash knows what happened, and now, so will you. Videos can be captured on the VAVA Dash mobile app and uploaded to Facebook or sent via email.
That's amazing. Hi, my name is Y, and I'm the designer behind the VAVA Dash. We want to go beyond the boxiness of traditional dash cams and design a video camera that is easy to install, has great video quality, and has features that we thought were missing. We thought that it was important to show the 360 capability of the camera, and which is why it's in a circular form. Our cultural-driven design process delivers experiences that are simple to use, beautiful to the eye, and meaningful to the user on a daily basis.
We've spent the past year taking this from an idea to building our first prototypes. Now we need your help to bring it to life. If you care about a safer and better driving experience, back our project on Kickstarter now. Thank you for your support. And together, we can make safer and better driving experience for everyone. Thank you.
Gazebox is a revolutionary foldable cover system to protect your car from sun, snow, wind, bad weather, and also animals and birds. Designed and built in Italy, Gazebox is a patented made in Italy product. Gazebox requires minimal space and thanks to its quick grounding system can be installed everywhere. There's no need for special permissions, and Gazebox can be easily relocated or removed. Thanks to its design, Gazebox serves as an exclusive housing for cars. Iron and polycarbonate structure makes Gazebox durable and allows to customize colors, graphic and more. Gazebox is so much more than a garage. It will become the perfect location for all your outside activities. Gazebox is available in 3 sizes: small, medium, large, plus the special motorcycle version. With Gazebox Wall, you can create a comfortable room outside of your home. Polycarbonate glasses give you an optimal protection from UV rays. And the openings in the structure keep the inside fresh. Gazebox's durable framework makes it resistant to heavy loads and strong winds. you can customize Gazebox with different wrapping features or combining the polycarbonate grey pearl panels with a white framework. Gazebox is the only one made in Italy and patented. Beware of imitations.